Where are we? What are we gonna go see?
Tractors?
Wanna go see the tractor?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Are we going to Walmart after this?
Nope.
No?
Let's go see the tractor.
Hi.
Wait for Mom.
Hi.
Wait for Mommy. Wait for the kids. Hold on. How old are you? Say 2.
2.
2. What's your name?
Forrest.
And who are you?
Lottie.
And who's this?
Henry.
Henry. Okay.
Mom, I can't shut the door.
Okay. Should we go see?
Just shut it. Go close.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's fine.
We're just right here.
It won't get as hot. It won't get as hot if it's open. It won't get hot.
Where are we?
Dada!
What is it?
Tractor.
Stop. What do you see? Forrest.
Dada.
Do you see the tractor?
Dada! Making a road.
See the tractor? Shh. Let's go see the tractor. Okay, try not to get in the muddy part.
Ew, I don't want to be touching dirt. Ew. I'm staying right here.
Forrest, want to come see?
I stay right here.
Okay, you can stay there. Want to come see the tractor? You guys are brave. They're babies.
Dada!
Is that yucky? What is it? This part's dry.
Hey, yeah. This isn't mucky or
Ooh. Ooh. Is that cool? Is that big or small?
Why is that thing big? Big tractor. Big tractor. Whoa, that was really
What do you think,
cool.
Lottie?
It can smush and smooth. I thought it was big.
What do you think about those?
Good.
What do you think, Henry?
They're really cool. I've never seen that tractor before.
We can go touch it.
No, I don't think it's...
Want to go touch the tractor?
No.
You don't want to? How come? Go ahead, Lottie.
I might go a little close to it, but I'm not.
It's not going to hurt you. It's turned off.
Oh, this is metal? I thought this was like rubber. Yeah. I'm going to feel this. It is muddy.
Oh, don't touch that. Should we go see the other one?
That's not like...
So what do you think this one's called? Does anyone know?
I don't know. I've never seen it. I've never seen this tractor. Ew! I see it.
You think that's gross?
You can step on it. Oh my gosh. It's dry.
Oh, Forrest, do you see the other one?
Look at that big yellow one. I only see yellow ones.
Tractor.
Some of them are green and some of them are orange.
Go see it. Go look.
And blue. Remember Bubba's blue? Oh yeah, Bubba has a blue tractor. This one.
What's this one called?
That tractor's making a road just like the one Let's touch it. We can hear cars from here. It's fun there. No, like over there. We hear cars over there. Come on, let's just touch it. Wow, those wheels are huge.
Whoa, yeah, you guys look really small.
Yeah, and this scooper is huge. That is huge. I can't even fit in it.
Forrest, look at you.
Let's see this one.
Are you? Look at me.
I mean, look at all these big things. No! I can't believe that tractor can hold that big thing. Dada!
Oh, another one.
I've seen this one a lot of times.
What's this one called, Henry?
I don't know. I don't really know much about tractors.
This looks like a big digger.
Yeah, this is huge. could shoot me up.
Okay, scoot away, scoot away.
One time,
Forrest.
one
Lottie,
time-
stop touching the dirt,
Mom,
please.
You know how one time we were like at this place in Maxwell and the cousins were there, and there was that tractor in like a field with wild horses. There
I
was
don't
a
remember
bee's
that.
nest in there, and we went in there to get it, even though there was wild horses in it. But they didn't see us because it stopped.
Oh, good, I'm glad.
There's so much hay. The bunnies would love this. Boy, come back!
I think we're all done. He wants Eliza to come look at the tractors.
I'm going to collect a little bit of this and then give it to the bunnies.
Okay.
I'm going in the car and I don't want to leave it.
That's a good choice.
I
Okay.
might get it later.
All right, see you later, tractors.